Presenting the Realme 9 5G. It comes in color options of Meteor Black, Supersonic Blue, and Supersonic Black. The phone has display of 16.51 cm, 6.5 inch. The phone also has Full HD Plus display. It has 48 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP 16 MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. It has 6 GB RAM and expandable up to 1 TB. Expandable memory up to 1 TB, and 128 GB ROM. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. It also features front camera and camera. The delivery box contains handset, adapter and USB cable, SIM card tool, screen protect film, and case. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.